Are you tired of lugging around heavy vacuums that struggle to keep up with your cleaning needs? Say hello to the Kenmore DU4399 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum, your lightweight cleaning companion that packs a powerful punch. Let's delve into what makes this vacuum a game-changer for your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Kenmore DU4399 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum into your home. Powerful performance with lightweight design. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Kenmore DU4399 Featherlite Vacuum delivers powerful suction to tackle dirt and debris with ease. Weighing under 12.5 pounds, this full-sized upright vacuum is lightweight and portable, making it effortless to move from room to room without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning sessions and hello to effortless maneuverability. Enhanced dust cup capacity for uninterrupted cleaning. With 3 times more dust cup capacity than standard vacuums, the Kenmore DU4399 allows you to cover a greater area without constant interruptions for emptying the dust cup. Spend less time emptying and more time cleaning thanks to its extra-large capacity that keeps you focused on the task at hand. Convenient lift-up technology for versatile cleaning. Tackle stairs and above-floor surfaces with ease using the Kenmore DU4399's innovative lift-up technology. Quickly transition from upright vacuuming to a lightweight pod for effortless cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. With its extended reach and versatile onboard tools, no corner or crevice will be left untouched. Hassle-free hair eliminator brush roll. Say goodbye to tangled hair on your vacuum brush roll with the Kenmore DU4399 hair eliminator feature. This innovative technology automatically removes hair from the brush roll, ensuring that it's always ready to tackle your cleaning tasks without the need for manual intervention. Spend less time wrestling with tangled hair and more time enjoying a spotless home. Advanced filtration for cleaner air. Breathe easier knowing that the Kenmore DU4399 is equipped with a completely sealed air path and HEPA filter. This advanced filtration system traps 99–97% of dust particles down to 0.3 microns, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Enjoy cleaner, fresher air in your home with every pass of the vacuum. Illuminate your cleaning path with LED headlight. Navigate around furniture and into dark corners with ease thanks to the Kenmore DU4399's Swivel Plus LED headlight. Illuminate your cleaning path and spot hidden dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough clean every time. No dirt or dust will escape the powerful suction and light of this advanced vacuum. In conclusion, the Kenmore DU4399 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum is a must-have cleaning tool for any home. With its lightweight design, powerful suction, and advanced features, it's the perfect companion for tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the difference with the Kenmore DU4399. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.